I'll get it MOT'd and I'll go from there. Anyway, Suzuki GT750, which is under this lot. So I'll have to move this. Lay that on there for now. Get out of the way. I've just got to move the Harley forward so I can get at it. It's over there, and then I'll move you round to the other socket and we round the other socket so you can see what I'm doing. What I'm going to do is today I'm going to strip the cylinder off, like I've explained. I'm going to strip the engine down, so I need to get the crank rebuilt. Like I said, like a cop. I should have done it while I had it in bits, but it wasn't smoking that bad when I first started it. It was just quite, you know, it was smoking and the compressions were right down. So I put new pistons in and everything else, and then shut it off. I just didn't have 500 quid at the time, which is what it would cost to rebuild the crank. So I haven't got a spare 500 quid now, but if I can get the H1 done and knocked out, then I'll have all my money to do everything I want. I might knock the H1 out and Harley and buy a, you know, a soft tail or something. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Brett, I'll give you in there. Right. What I've got over there is this source. If you know it's Suzuki, you know that's the 3 exhausts. I bought those because they're the right for 72/73. They've been welded together and I've got to sort all that out, but I only had one. I had a the others I've got on there are a 74, no, 75, and there's the beastie, and they're alright, but they're just not right for the year, so I'm going to sort them out now. But that's the project for today. I'm going to get the mat down, I'll lie down, and then go from there. Throw the coolant out. And first thing I'm going to change that radio music. Right, So that's the project for today. So let's